Well, the food lab gives people a little flavour of sort of the biochemical processes involved, and from the initial sort of tasting and taste perception, and down all the way to the digestive process and nutrition. People will be able to come in and take part in some tests, so it's looking at testing out your different senses and how it's not just all about sort of tasting on the tongue. We're also going to investigate all of the other senses as well and how they're involved in your sense of taste. In the taste test, people will be able to taste bitter, sweet, salt, sour and umami, which is the fifth taste. And just to mark on a tongue map where they think they sense that taste. But in each case, we're going to get people to actually omit one of the senses, so it might be holding their nose or even just kind of listening to the sound of something cooking. So it's to see, do they actually sense it on their tongues. So we'll be collecting that sort of data and just seeing what sort of the general consensus is from that. We also have some microscopy where people can get to look at sort of macronutrients that they eat on a microscopic level. So they can look at starches and sugars and salts. And they'll also be able to do some tests measuring the amylase in their saliva. So they'll be able to drool into a test tube and see will their saliva break down starch into sugar. And sugar is our primary energy source for our body.